Do you want to find your archive post in Instagram? You can see archived Instagram posts with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find archive post in Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. An archived post on Instagram is a post that you've hidden from your main profile feed but haven't permanently deleted. Archived posts are moved to a private section where only you can view them. When you archive a post, it's removed from your profile and your followers' feeds, but it's not deleted from Instagram entirely. To find archived posts on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. On your profile, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. In the menu, you should see the option Archive. Tap on it to access your archived posts. Once you're in the Archive section, you'll see Archived Posts. If you are not seeing, tap on the drop icon from the top of the screen and select Posts Archive. You'll now see all your archived posts. You can scroll through them to find the specific post you're looking for. From here you can restore an archived post to your profile and delete it from your account. You've successfully found and accessed your archived posts on Instagram. By viewing your archive post, you can delete or restore them to your profile. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.